Nonum abo apaimo ahaya SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Nonum bo paimo say no a nia yanim aya hot bite. Nia ya bite ne hot. Na mom enhyehye Ghana nkomo ne ya twetwe ho nkomo kama ne ya de amawo. Abusua yetena sese no a free sabre ya akwese no nsia ebona fe no nsia bope. Yede no nsia kase no session bi no ne ya de atoa so kama e de amawo. Ebre na so se yede esom wo. Medimafo ba center Dr. Time da so na dawroma e na obo ye chidom ama ya timi asom anwumere. Sa so na Time herbal mixture enso ebo ye chidom na fe 21st clinic enso e kan ye ho na fe na yede nkomo no kama yede abesom wo. Abusua kan ye ho e wo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, SOMPA 93.1 Kumasi, Adamfo Pa Radio e wo France ahenkro Paris num. Sabre ye SOMPA 101.1 e wo Takwa, SOMPA 103.3 e wo Takorade, SOMPA 106.1 e wo Tachiman, SOMPA 98.9 e wo Sunyane, SOMPA 90.7 e wo Nkranza e na SOMPA 101.3 eno e wo Doma ho na 100.7 eno ye Doma FM wono so agikase e bopete Kaneshia Ban Radio e wo Nkran Kaneshia ya wono so ogibo pia afa Kingdom 106.1 FM e wo Mankasim ahimam ho a womo so ogi nsem no ato ne nyina pete mfimfi mantamu ba bia mo bia so enya bi atie abusua hye ne nso se betimi a join ye wo Facebook e SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, and YouTube no e SOMPA FM Live, www.sompaonline.com. So nsem no dodo na agu ho a ne dodo mu no betimi akwa kenkan brepa ene bresem ne bra benya ho kwan bia na bibia atumi akoboko na fe why updated with nsem a e wo Ghana ene amanone enhano anyina na bibia atumi aye fine medin ade odoman koma chiame obrempon nana kwaku ampoma afi Ghana nkomo yemfansomo ene eka ho a emfinhia no maako aduonu mienu ne 22nd edition a ekoso bibu sasa de ba de emfie nan bia no wiase amama nyina kotwa hia agudie kwan so na yesi ye ho akan na nso nkamfo nko nyina nko na wiye no na oman ba akopɛ na watabiri nkunim no na no ni esisuo no eye wiase nyina kruwa anu ntia kan se World Cup ene na afidie no ehyasie na amanfo obusa questions amanfo obisa ne se aso daban na oman Ghana titru na afei abibiman ankasa nkabomu ye betimi akwaje World Cup ne bidi aba oman ade aba abibiman mu eno yasem kase pan ne da pono so aye busa enipa bebre akyerɛkyerɛ wadwen ɛwɔ ho kane no mpo na yɛ kɔ World Cup no a yɛ start yɛ 1930 ɛde ba de besi 2026 a ɛnɛ ɛka ho makoma kwaduonu mienu no yɛ kɔ World Cup a ɛbibre mu kura no kane no kura mpo no kane no ana yɛ wiase nyinaa kura mpo no na ɛyɛ ɛkoka komu kakra 13 countries pɛ ɛne wɔn kokoko mu kyire kura no ena Africa nso de ne ho ba hyehye mu bia ma yewurawura mu kakra efiri be se 1970 ho de ba no e de ba besi 2000 ho ne won kai kra ne bia obeka Germany 2006 won mu a sa bra fina no mu fifiri sin kakra de ba no a won be hunu Black Star no na Black Star ekọ World Cup foforo kra first time Stephen Apia mu Olele Kingston mu Laye Kingston mu keka won hubo mu a sa time na Samoja no ye small boy Matiwa mu amu na na ewurawura mu saa ema Razak Pimpon mu kra kire be fa mu a sa bra na Samuel Sekofo wo mu nyina ginagina mu nanso abedi pele mu ta mu nyina wo mantimi afa ya nkọ World Cup da eno nti na manfo nim se ni da so kese pa e de aba ama wo man Ghana titiriu na afia bi man nyina ampa Ghana koye wankoguni ho anim ase wokoye bi nanso agya fofie na ntota no adwane ho abamo na yesan ba fie boko mekai na ye dribble say ya na Italy for dia woyen na o atete afa so na Brazil for dia keken kan na ye da ba bi eno achi yampa ba 4 years time eno ye 2010 ye hosting was South Africa akwadwefo ho se wo mo sana me frɛ wo ye hosting South Africa eno so Ghana koya ma eno na Ghana timi qualify I think say no cry one of 16 ena if we abantie ya nano na sin bebre Suarez ana sa abre no na ne sen kona num kike manfo a beyi ball every penalty mu a eno so eja ni okonsuo no na boy hina samoajan kwa ball penalty fa ba so eja eno kura no ye ko ye nim kakra fine na manfo nim so ye bekoye nim Cameroon na ebibre mu nyina no watimi akwakodu quarter final wono de wo yire ne ho bo ne ho moden pa ene ye 1990 ho baabi enti saa bre no fe na wono mu ene janzifu ene binum fa na ne ye ngowom ena Senegal Senegal so 2002 so ko na nim kakra ono so kodru baabi a wonru ye na Cameroon ko ye no a ena Ghana de ya megusu amebosu ya Morocco eno ono so be wurawura mu kakra so ono kra no Belgium ha na kakra Spain ni Portugal so ye bebre enti ukeka we nyina bomu a yetimi akodru baabi anke betimi akoya nim kakra anya hwe kra anke yetimi du semi final ene ye wura mu final nanka Ghana no nanka anase bebrem yetimi akobi pa nanso afie we no womo the African countries ni bia beka ho kan na ye nsia pe anamboa na ye num 5 sabre ya me ne wo kasai ye du 10 enti ebinum se o ene da so aba bi nso se o munyai we chafu no a wo mo kwa akwa bia ba keke aso ye koye bia ba ana se ye koye de ya to ye point mu a ya mayen representation edui ye betimi akoye ni mu ana abusia sabre ya ye kasai o gusu ye opening ceremony no mo keka mu abomu a hwiebe by 7 o'clock meboa na first match Mexico wono na oye ono so ka countries na hosting ho wono ene South Africa ena ebo first match 7 o'clock ya nti ye be sori so ntam na South Africa tanka mo asan beto aso e de commentary no e de amaw abusia ene nkomo ne nam World Cup ne ho ye assess afie we World Cup no say na wo foresight ne wo forecast tie e wo ho 1 2 CAF any Africa ye betimi aboye ho modern atra quarter final na Ghana Cameroon Senegal akono ana Cameroon started 1990 Senegal ko 2002 ena Ghana ko 2010 asa obi ani ho akobio na Ghana na nkasa munu kura no efri sa abra no okokodru ho no ne aka nyina wakwa group stage no afrim ebi kura ho ha yan qualify kura asa kata de se yan qualify womu ose yanu bia enti se okeka we nyina bomu a ebinum se well Africa no de ye representation keke but ye modern bono tete no spirit na ho ne ye de bobo Africa no ebi ni ho aso Ghana ne Africa betimi akonani mu ana eno ye 1 2 country ben pa na sabre se wo asese ya wo ni football people no utietie wo mo se wo hwe SOMPA TV ana utie SOMPA FM na se de rundown ne mawa wo hunu se country we dia your favorite ebinumo tepi England ebinumo si Ghana kura betimi akonanim sanse nkomhye kura fa Ghana ho ebinumo kura si France nso yenye bad team ebi akwa se Brazil se ne Carlo Ancelotti ahye team no de ko no won betimi aye ne ye aso Croatia Portugal amanfo se Cristiano Ronaldo ne time ni se so oje World Cup because wonya giwie se ekimu a na wakọ retirement kura na ja wona ne ba no wo mo ahyase ye bombo wo mfikyire ho aso Argentina betimi asanya maintain ana se ye bese hu another one Italy wagibida wankobi enti World Cup we mu be yeden ana mu be yefo SOMPA Sports Safo Kantanka awankran ha sanso ana SOMPA nkrabata na wo Ghana ha ne nyina no ye ne pandit na wo ho ne nyina ne be kasa sabre SOMPA sunya ne wo matena se ya womo e de analysis no e ba beto aso de ama na nso e beba wuram na womo so mo de ma dwen kire de abadwuma de yesu abusua ye nkomo no ne join ye wo Facebook ne so YouTube ne so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra and SOMPA FM live respectively na fe afa conversation also de beto aso na ye mo enkomo safo madwe
makwa chama mejo so
wo honam boko
na mladum am say shana here dan share bi see da na mwa
menya sure you share bi
na metiase bia
football people wo mo ho ye de
omo ya ho Omo.
Asemo.
Senansia ni wi league no ti. You see attention na shift could the World Cup and the World Cup no be na yes am be fia ba betutu na am for release on next season fixtures no.
Yeah, that is about World Cup we are.
Is about World Cup no.
Oh, okay. Yaka World Cup asemi. Sa for me for ngura mu straight. I feel World Cup no then a man yesronko. Yen sha sem free ho.
Well, the more feel World Cup na different here. The nations now on my World Cup now from so mbe hosting.
Okay.
1 Canada, 2 Mexico, and then 3 United States of America. So far South Africa 2010, me fair for one aba. Over Brazil 2014, Russia 2018, and then Qatar 2022. Where the number was inferior as any was tournament out na say yes am akaya nyanya. And now for this time around now, from Mexico, one of the express countries about World Cup now on Obi. The beginning of World Cup on account 1930, and then this time around 2026, and then he's Okawama almost a who's in movie. And no for my to say Canada, Minunya say Canada, Obeka say be about say world football. Canada and Daniel patronage and soon bet saying hosty are there the stadiums are hold one more than 4 and hold on arm, ultimately kick Canada out. And then the doubt kakra bi na bia be fancy bia USA based on enema cost we deny ko for na manama bet ban football so a obi be aside me per me opinion obi ga so obi akọ USA say that mo football on mo e bia be ga so mo dey netball NP ni sa na na boxing no but we am stadium am so wa then no doubt so this time around the mama World Cup na different ko am say now my man from 32 Asa increased the 48. 64 games na airball. Now I say Peja they call 104. So Abama first less number of games and they say you be higher number of games.
Okay.
Amaya Madu donors where they betimenti. First one ebia group phase first and second and this time around. So I don't company at third best. We talk about the Kahubi. And these are the things about this World Cup and say different. And one thing about some different in South Africa. Near slot Marco 5. And now you be now 4 automatic at the car home. And my call 9. And I got 1 ebequaco book and say one baby count ebia a fancy be not quite in the BB and then no more quaco bomb. I know now play off and then now the Jal Congo as we now opportunity on Sudimu my South Africa country so I bet and so these are the numbers are won't mean take anything away from this World Cup and the celebrations well of course no doubt. When that's not why then when you now crack where they about say now I feel work out the mundiano you be no match that day and so I feel na be exceptional yeah say be one bianso konkosi pe na my kokoso be fan Mexico and they be US Venice and man on say for World Cup here this World Cup and World Cup and it's not be p and so see before say World Cup no be there and so it was about this time on hear him say and near my sis you know and then anything for na World Cup I feel no a bit more because I feel World Cup no there before say start and some people come by Mexico for and 76 one over USA and number 6 is one man e bia Canada na yentin ho asem bia
yes
nti I feel no these are the numbers and I say nema e room ma be ma feel World Cup no obi anso ni ade e be chi na wo drum wi asa friend pundits circumstances of the game will be answered like I said them and for this World Cup so I feel now see say I be exceptional compared to years yes yet my here
I feel where the any match talked about World Cup what they compare from 1930 Anna
well make us say yes because of Mexico factor and the US factor
okay
what does it
first nanka one country pay and I say abro so 2 countries.
Yeah, 2 can say in Japan, Korea 202.
Yes.
This time around, Sabah 3 nations.
3 nations.
I mean,
also be marketing one.
Good. To be also marketing one home. Obi also when say the game on supporters is where they. So this year no 3 nations on who see World Cup no. Ebema this is a few way there no. Ni hwe no ebe ye fepa.
Okay. One thing is that say ye ka World Cup Hong Kong na ye can be simu obehwe countries are on my GB say this is the 22nd edition right
sure.
This is the 22nd edition it's 21 nations and AG World Cup the end man ye sronko ewo ened afi de no ne favorite bia menyan hu countries bia watimi age atoa so be a 2 3 and 4 be a mona ja football people mona mumu di akiri akwa. Is there any country watching it back to back and I say back to back bisa
from 2000 Eden. Ojia the next one who crowd qualify group no go na Eden so team them out. It is from 2000 dey ba you nya man wajia the next 4 years was akono sa akwa defend it. Obeje the following year no obekwa akobon tro kan. Okay. Yeah 2010 E3 upon all the players are no more out to the Quadri World Cup and over 2010 we saw what happened 2-3 yes Germany by 2014 Germany by 2014 and then the Russia 2018 minunya who they told this time on this World Cup ground had who am I just like I said this nation there what the place nation with there obeje because now obi for Portugal obi for be fight and Argentina betima stand defend and the amount for France din almighty Brazil amount for say bomb so England so say that amount for so
England we African country be heading you
the amount for African countries in say ya kwa ya dia no e ya good face just listen one ya jenya Morocco timuru mu the first 4 and they'll be able for 2 Ghana 2-2 over for Senegal. And afterwards, in African countries, some kind of performance was not the same.
Mamma so rather in Africa, Hona, and America, Africa didn't be free. And quite so here, Papa Cliff, head of sports, SOMPA Sunyane. Papa, good evening. Papa Cliff, what's the matter? Hello. David, Papa Clever, Homano, Atiatu. So, for young trust from free her.
And Mexico against on my friends of South Africa. And then nations are opening games. And I said, nation, Auburn opening game at times, the difficult said the nation, and so a bit Malusu, and so on. Offer nations or more opening games, a bit to say, a member to say, oh, fire Uruguay, and over 4 bit to say Mexico, and that Germany more. At times very difficult to say Auburn opening game on so bet Malusu and so on 21 times you know a mu 16 win akwa da opening game host nation opening game arena a mu mark 6 I do just 1 and a host at Malusu so opening game so host nation
one another country be
oh that was Qatar 2022
very good
on the so on one day nearly can some na side the baby on that the and the cat and some message rock on side and Mexico against team friends some Mexico so this time almost World Cup no almost 60 something plans almost there
yes
at when World Cup
the last time on South Africa share is it 1-1
that was 2010
it was South Africa
competitive game we can omubo 2 but friendly games are on there 10 games on my bond. We 2010 free my 10 games on my bond. On my first Mexico upper hand. I ran my 5. Okay. And I draw a 3 and a lose so on. I could man. What the one now? Yes, South Africa then become 1. Yes, I quite 10 and so on. So 10 games on more competitive one. Just 1. Okay. And we are 2 South Africa 2-10 and then that game quite 1-1. Okay. So and then South Africa against team friends Mexico they papa on brana me more groups
na yengura mu ho na no opening game no ho na me pese me de ani ejina kese pa Papa Cliff head of sports wo Sunyane Papa good evening
good evening honorable
we dey make say me ma SOMPA o
you mo akatia pa o
Papa na Sunyane boko de
o nyanko pardon we dey Sunyane de apam the thing be hard and see
okay baby minima kokosi fi prepare
but enyo wa senche be sia mo be fi Sunyane ka kenche nyege
yehu atiase Papa ma yengura mutau ya ba no sports na ja mona one safo mo ne omo aka no mona ja mudi mutintimai pa football people and World Cup ye shase in the next 1 hour 10 minutes na kick off na shase enti opening ceremony na shase kwa me focus ene game no the opening game Safo di come my rundown no 21 games ayabo nyina opening games ayabo nyina no kata pe ena say game no my and lose wo ho ne aka nyina no emu draw no ye kitwa bi na ne aka nyina ye win enne u take our opening game and what to say
Open mame enchia SOMPA for across the length and breadth of Ghana. Over World Cup 2026. The moon 7 also. Let alone say Mexico and 3 countries in hosting on the first game against South Africa. Over game now because now over catch you say Mexico for no or one more thing to say Africans and pepe because energy level almost so one country about World Cup or appearance no Morocco can be and I can't some of the countries are about World Cup yem kubi na yemoye and some dia Mexico can be one country would name African countries board boy pano Mexico can be and playing against South Africa yem fan say baby brimu ya South Africa stars say baby brimu abono we know home from 1994 that time Mexico mudi edikai and South Africa of course our World Cup with star a dream be clear one month for dreams to say and I'm the Coco South African, you know. I quite say, do maybe I say, we need to say, Sunya, baby. Say, Obenpon, we need to say, 10 age now who is almost South Africa and then Mexico, wine the best in young Kwan. And I'm tax now, also against African countries, you know. South Africa no. Nipa be 7 never catch us Mexico by winning.
And no dey make Papa Cliff make me akra match na ha can be say you go support South Africa on beka say ye ji omadwuma ye.
Yeah. On the game itself, we are South Africa underdogs. Mexico play this game in games our board United and near Brazil or PBB ayo. And I quite experience in World Cup against a minus in World Cup was Mexico appearance of World Cup also South Africa Omanya or Tai Kubi thinking the third time crowd okuli because 2010 when I quite who see and a man is Kwanyana which means for the first time will be in real more local. Upon the game the bad day. I know that normally first games, opening games entire recording goes kese. But in the game no better Kaneka. I may be willing to say Mexico, the Mexican wave, SHS influence of Pramanoso, without home support, with that energy, psychologically, South Africans, near our coastal players in the creating a common say, it's the word against them because of the historic attack in the coastal community. So, big effect out some of the players, and also some of the players. What do you want to do? Now, I do keep up with everybody. The day plan fund funds and the no more the pressure ever bro. But on the day, normally first game then American can entirely record the goals because we are in so but we are cautious. But I can't rule out Mexico ever win the first game no.
Okay.
Against South Africa.
Say no my prediction yeah.
Exposure two teams in will be a guitar.
Okay.
Mexico was so. Edison, South Africa. And the home fans, Mexico for the person of which I say, Sabi team or one quantity or so much in Europe. Now, Omutimi, AUBP or World Cup. And so with me, in a first game we against South Africa. South Africans, very much say, yeah, more home what they say defend it. But Obedrum will be to continue the heat from Mexico. Engineer Banis over conceded. Ubijim. A game of fair. Two teams will be at the ball to form. Will be a man who's the ball to make it. But at the end of it all, Elmakacho said the energy level of Mexicans and South Africans also. Yen running Mexicans are running in a game, almost running throughout. Almost 15 kids was to. And if you check it out, never in another 2-1. We say almost 8 with the home advantage over a South African.
Okay. Papa, one more rundown in na me ne ubewi ekra na Germany safon so adin titimu wa ha no. Ya hwe officiating. Ya na ye hwe match bi say no we are seeing na hwe aside say other games be course or other stadia other countries say 3 countries na Asia hosti into other country no enie ni nyina entimi ma we are seeing nyina entimi ma one stadia and as one stadium. Name and then the first match, the world will be watching. Then I will share Nimu as far as officiating are concerned.
We are sick of saying, and a referee no more modern gra, and then you're referee nanka we near. But then, and me share Nimu say, you didn't have that fair officiating. A game, I don't want to say, because I can referee now, and Kibia, we win near. We are expecting a game, you know, so 2 teams in Ubia or no more than Ubia enough from the and a resource the team, a buy. Now, referees, Emfa a scoreline in Shomutum. I know, say, center referee of Brazil, Walton a Sampolio. Then he said, and yeah, he will be good when he wants it. Next was a winner or bomb and not from James Augu would be a man that a appetite and say, Unsrubia. And yes, it is a you but justify no home at the actual team view. Name or justify no one this time around. Actually, we are here for name. I say, a bar iron tona on an assistance a year power Monday. I'm on 1 year, you know. They can easily deliver. I'm a year, you know, we say, at least your father said only opening game, when we want it. Some at times, you know, that referees will do a while. We do not want to know say crowd and it's saying pressure about me so to say. But FIFA this time around, referees are all power women now. Will be a justifiable say we do world class matches. And on one say, this game I make on let me stand there at the IDB. And the other point, I know the referee was an own winning match. Near Sefata, I also say, oh yeah, with an assistance and all. All eyes are on them.
Yeah.
No, say 3 countries in the Husky, and you're opening the no to Azazo. United States of America, APBIACA. Canada for APBIACA. And you the Ginamu Ama war, minor Zinama Yearman will be winning here. For the first time, you're experiencing 48 countries competing for World Cup trophy. And that form. And you know, when I never made a escape good. I'm a US in our show. So, in fact, pressure on us. We are all within praying for him. So, between a day professionalism, I hear you, man. I'm at the end of it, all. Talking point, I'm a referee. Give me a fair. We didn't hold on it yet. We should see the skills of work tactically. Referee, coaches in your mojima, and we say we are or not angry one way traffic say, and yet referee no born here, but referee not saying. And then, in fact, you're moving more. You're better, right? They say, and then players, and a headline for the game, but not much officials.
Okay. Papa, my menase, na minim say ebo 6:45 na mo somua. Ye be fa nyina free hall live nti analysis no. Mo be my rundown nyina player by player, official by official. Any coaches tactics, performance, any will be also track record. Minim say mo di nyina eba nti no. Sabe say fufu asija so a ye nom ho kwan. Ma ye nte kakra bi na in the next few minutes no ye be sa ba ne abeto aso. Why?
But what you're important, right?
Abusiafo nyina ajo se ya chia sunyafo nyina so e na abono ene ahafo ne mpotam nyina mo fa yenche a emfama abusia Papa Cliff sports head wo sompa sunyane ene ene no abo enkoma no nti kantanka wa ha na meka se me ne be hwe ne match no na ya hwe dynamics kakra wom dynamics kakra wom the surprises e betimi aba when e betimi police surprise kakra mekai brana bafana jina na nan so pa no ye ka one Ghana Croatia na emu odene so anya hwe no Ghana the experience kakra be fa ho ebi betimi aba e wo Mexico fo wo mo nkomo imu ana e na bio na Papa Cliff kan sem bi sa Mexican wave na ye bo especially World Cup a wo mo tai showcase ne sa no tira anya ye biri wani so ama obo na to atwena so e betimi aye bia na South Africa for the Vuvuzela ebe ko stadium akwa bogu Mexico fo iso ama womo de ase wo mana kantanka
before say game the baso no na say before so opening ceremony kura be baso no na me hwe background no ade wo internet so na da South Africa for no the young man say Mexico street na boss na na say
no bagawa ya
me come cho yes na ni bian so etima den ani bian so etima ba so that one say 210 South Africa was in group with Mexico.
Yes.
Uruguay. And France. Uruguay top group with 7 points.
Yeah.
And Mexico toss me 4 points. And South Africa toss me and France everyone group no. So who compare from teams the last time group and now this time around.
Yeah.
Who for group of South Africa you ask yourself, South Africa beat qualify the from group no.
Mexico, South Africa, and a Hwaimbiem. As the current group are almost here.
Good.
Mexico, South Africa, Korea Republic, and why not? I bet you say winner play of the.
My play confirmation in Jamon.
Okay.
And over South Africa squad the good time is and I may be say oh yeah Tony before South Africa squad man I may ban sana my son be say bia so to my community I can South Africa squad to e ho dwuma me na nya ya fa ha you na mbachoje South Africa squad na akanti na menye ho
omo squad abasisi here.
Yes omo squad abasisi na nya ho dwuma and also Mexico nya appearance on World Cup 18 consecutive times.
18 times.
Yes, and at this time we can who seen it for the third time.
Okay.
1970, 1986, and at this time around 2026 was now not now was at the host World Cup no. And this study we also so now 1970, 1986 no. As a host and as a host opening games, and this time around this are the same stadium as a host opening games. So and Mexico and some opening game bia elusuye.
Mebao. Now, as someone maybe say when the next group are country or car or group was Czech Republic.
Czech, okay, yeah.
And then say second match no be around 2 a.m. Ghana time, right?
Just watching. If you watching, I bet to us. So it's not.
Okay.
Not the game start.
The other between Korea Republic and Czech Republic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mexico or more opening game. And lose winter. I know the man and very difficult. The man my friends in South Africa, and then me as a person, I don't see South Africa winning this game. South Africa best could be a draw.
A draw.
South Africa best could be a draw. You're fighting of emotions and fountain. Yeah. But always your my friends say Mexico na appearance on World Cup. Wako 18 times, and all for my friends in South Africa. Apart this time, this are the third time on Sweden. Also, when I said the fourth time on Sweden. Ultima Kobe conference 98, and then Japan could do 2-2, and 2-2 host here. Wakaho, and at this time I was not now. Was so I don't know so qua the best, and yet France 98 was one France O group, one Denmark O group, Saudi Arabia went to qualify for group
stage. Yeah,
Japan Korea. The teams are not on one and also went to San qualify. South Africa 2-10. Squad and also on one. This and also
with Mexico, yeah.
Yes. So, for South Africa dynamics and the more World Cup now. So it has to say this time around, and then was our body not any team or any African countries.
Terrain, no.
And always be also as South Africa no. For any game be our no, and then when the team no.
Okay.
What does it?
Okay.
So and maybe the expecting match and very South Africa on them. The expectation now be called the host nation and I was on board and was an opportunity to opening game and the attention now be shifted at their corner. But then I see this game either 2-1, but both team there and they both team to score. But 2-1.
Boys, I know you want
2-1. Be a 3-2 B.
Okay.
Definitely
South Africa will get a goal.
Yes. So. Minim say Tony Alred and I come.
The answer not the Musa away last one now. Share Hugo Lloris. Friends, Hugo Bruce, South Africa coach. One experienced coach.
Africa content,
exactly.
Europe, yeah, or experience. We won't even take anything away from him.
This time, Sunday, all country ne. Ebine mo coach your friends. Carlos Day.
Carlos.
Okay. Oh, here's an so. That experience, the expertise, or what as far as World Cup and playing at the world field, are concerned. You want to mean Hugo Bruce in frame, and also nim terrain, no nim player management, or nim how to play compact football. Any day, can that be a ticket for South Africa at least to pull a surprise to tighten their belt to face Mexico now?
Well, make us offer a reference to Hugo Bruce. Yeah, be say a balance coaching factor.
Yeah,
and I want to take anything away from him. But this is the World Cup.
Okay,
the experience count. I just saw about Champions League. What I say? And World Cup, the experience count. And for the experience of my friends in Mexico, I run 18 times appearance on the World Cup, and then when the modern World Cup, or any time I work World Cup, and the modern Sweden, I was running. So, for a for coaching factor there, Kabeka, the real offense, Hugo Bruce. One of the experience even about Africa is here. On the clubs are holding on my mind, hold one. But then against Mexico, no, maybe I'm gonna be at that game. But against Mexico, there may have who all those say what can't one need to for the Kumo and then only team or that Wakasa that for one and the name of this way the game. But for me, I don't see South Africa surviving it. Miss South Africa best. You quoting factor to in China, South Africa best and then could be a draw.
Is that for you? South Africa, you don't see South Africa surviving today.
South Africa wrong. South Africa something I can. South Africa or call France 98. Now one to me say Saudi Arabia.
Oh, but so to me for 98 as a moment to
South Africa 202 no team advancing from the group.
But then they were team qualified.
South Africa 210. One kasa in the backyard. On one kasa in fie. What the 4 points? And so to qualify for the group.
There are a lot of dynamism in football. Until they can pull a surprise.
Maybe.
Also, my last question. Now, just squad, no. My last question. South Africa, and they send you almost here carry on home throughout all this while, no. Now, send Nekra na want to mean survive here against Czech Republic, against South Korea Republic, and other countries, other country are kind of okay. So, bebo Czech Republic and South Korea, do you foresee, say, South Africa can or in any way triumph over any of these two countries?
Very difficult question, because Czech, one of the experienced countries about World Cup, I'm super experienced a woman, and then Korea, Minunian Korea, ban World Cup, almost more than more. Although now Korea or advanced there from 1 of 16, but all about World Cup or I sure said definitely 1 of 16 there. At least Korea one of the nations are waiting no says when I saw with my show saying over to 1 of 16 and send be over from what you from. And these are the nations of South Africa no group. And this time they be a South Africa that qualify from group no say be only a better results against Mexico, or a better results against Czech, or better results against America Korea. So I make a what say. Say Abia South Africa, Abia no one better results. I couldn't 1-1 be. What my quack was check or 4 points. Yaman automatic qualification because third best. Yes, obey to qualify the full group. No, but say no Kolusu. None the next game be against Czech or Korea. Next Akwadigua. And final results are being last game.
That for Bredinti, my squad no near him.
Until
I send them our hunting checking. I say, we were. I was share Anya Reno, African brothers. You see, assess the chances of South Africa as against Mexico. And only the assessment I share, but we are told say squad nenya ba into Hesse and Sabeka squad no.
Maybe South Africa then
okay. South Africa squad
Mexico. Raul Ranger and Asa Rangel on another go post.
Okay.
Israel Rice. Cesar Monts on the derby. Johan Vasquez.
Rice, they said declan Rice.
On the R.E. Reyes.
Okay.
Israel Reyes. Cesar Monts. Johan Vasquez. Jesus Garado. Eric Lila. On also AJMB. And Roberto Alvaro. And so AJM. Bran Gutierrez. And so Alvaro Fordago. And now Julian Queens into women starting 11. Okay. I'm also agent with them on my fence Mexico. I'm South Africa, then I'm from Rodway Williams, agent Sedebi, Ebobi, Okon, and Mbukanzi, and South Africa, Mamelodi Sanders. I'm going to argue with Mbukanzi. Internal to Hodoma, Rodway Williams, Mamelodi Sanders.
Yes.
Mbukanzi, Mamelodi Sanders, on the jumping. And now, Kaduso Muda also Mamelodi Sanders also I watch one been so ba at one na Mamelodi Sanders I dominating to ban order am Satibio Rodway Williams on the goal post at the center on serve as captain
yeah
Mukanzi Ejam Okon Ejam Sidbisi also Ebetima start Mudao Adams ebe start Celto also ebetima Jamie Mukwena so no so what my kai saga na also ebetima album on a platinum na Ebre Modiba enso etima Jam also o Mamelodi Sundowns we e met for the Central South Africa what 352 ntanim ho
or pick midfield na gina ho na ho de nyina gina
ntanim ho e Lil Foster and then Abante friends Crime Reigns and I say Renes nti omo any players omo so agent mo nti South Africa so start 11 Hugo Bruce and agent na Heavy Aguel also agent as head coach and the ama and so my friends say Mexico nti na you ba be church ni ahwe o 3k mo na ahwe de si ba Ghana ni bia mpa ye bo South Africa be cha na mum ye mo South African nations na man do no mo ko na the first time Cape Verde can ho bi no so comes with my advance like man Africa kebenya bia kebenya first four no kram na South African nation kwampo na ho no ma ko bia na banyi no ya Africa na ko nkoto dwe no ma obon na no akọ my friend say South Africa. No, there's no.
You're fancy. Kantanka vedasi. So aje Freddy Abonko. We see another South African Kantanka. Some passports and then Abonko. When you want so te Papa Cliff enka or also head of sports. Was Sunyane SOMPA and no abo enkomo. We see yeah can say no. We akabe say in the next 30 minutes. Na ye sorry nkunya so. Ama South African Tanka ne Papa Cliff money omo SOMPA Kumase ne SOMPA nkrabata ne nyina so connect near the sports no e de atoa wo eno nti sabre ya de kuredi na session B no do not open until you are told to do so eno ne de toa wo no ne no wo mo aso asene me ye de bre wo no eye medimafo ba center Dr. Tamada so wo no de bre time eto yade ne so na watu ase de ko a free stroke eno de yade edikosi typhoid ne malaria nyina yade bi age akonwa okwa obetu ase kra e de ama okwa embabio awode wotenete bra ba ju de sisi a opokwa se mayira won kran ha ena kuma senso abu akwa agogo woni aban school no ho ne de animhwe ne numbers abetumi afre bi ana ho adwenkyere bi 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and 0500727215 0500727215 time about mix time malaria drew papa ni bie ya unya bi na sa no mo a ebeko yie pa e de ama wo me pa cho hwe wanum na ato wo ntimi nedi wo honam na ye oya apia tete na ate kwa malaria che awabai bo se o hwe de o sa mesrew kwa pharmacy ya ba shop bi e na kope time about mix time bi tonom ere na bebo pa enya mapemfo ba ho makoda no fo na akoda wonya mfinhia dum bi obi aka bia betimi anom bi na wo penchire mu na apedo atu aton 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 siatika yade no so betimi atu ase a siatika yade na aba so no se betimi ayi afiri ho a se betimi ayi akonchen kra emma onipadua no mu bie mu aje so do ne 21st clinic ye no ye honko a na yetu ase a ekwa emma bi okra 21st clinic the siatica commandant ye nkrabata ne do so je numbers na fra ye ne enkyere ba bi nkrabata ne ben wo no na bra ho sisi a 0500 311 311 0500 311 na onso bra na beji wa yare hwe na bibia nso enkoye pa afei SOMPA kase ento aso ye de ma wo sei
yade ma wona ye bo awramu ye bu nkompo akoye chika krabe sabosumi mienu ya etwemu nie no ene ye bo mama ne mu ankasa na mani tue bi esanse ye nyina mu kane ho ensem no na atete apansam preso no ema ne homne so ama ye bisemu no na wo kyerese akosombo substation ye wo no wo jabrani bi etimi afemu ewo ho na no ena empanyimfo kyerese da bi sania enema sikọ ye na hu ba behia so mbeti bedwakuo bi na wo matimi abo aye hwehwemu na de esi ye pote na nkasa no wonom etimi ehu ne etimi akrakra ye ho dachi bia ede ekire no ebi entimi ansensi biem na ye kasa ya no Yura John Abdul Jinapo wono ene ye soafo ya wono ehwa ahode ne ye aso ye no eso wode nsem ne nyina ekoda bedwakuo no ene ne titire ne ya wopa no engineer William Amuna sa wonhwe na report no sane asem sitie bia no woma ne nsa enka ene de yada abrewa ayipoma kwan mu ama engineer William wone na pamfo wonom ede report no aba ama Yura Jinapo wahwem ama nsem ne nyina no wo kyerese na bi keka ena ye sabotage bi SNPP nkofo ni bi na dija ekoto eye akosombo substation nim se beya ebeka se Yura Mahama abaide abri bia obebe bia no dum so na wode nam ewo Ghana fo aboboa no na wo kyerese nyu obia ene kwata akire ema ne ye nemom enhoma ahodoɔ ya kyese no etimi eboa ema wayesia esefata se nyina mahode no etimi fam no insulators no wose na kyese ebia che agogo ahojo na eno na nam so ate se drobe no na kyese leak bi ebeda ho a enyinam hoden no ebi pefa ho ekofa sa eja no ebaye yenkonkotie raginapo ebra na report no nsem a mabɔ ne tofoa ede akyeremu yi na wo ka mu nsem kakra ede akyere.
That we would take this report serious. We would digest all the contents of the reports and implement the report to the letter. Yes, it is true. The engineers did a good job in restoring power, but that is not to say that if somebody is found culpable, that person will not be held to account. That is the court duty. And so this will serve as a lesson. Already, based on the briefing we got from you along the line, we've taken some action. We've gotten them to be a bit more proactive. There's a lesson that should teach us to avoid a future occurrence of this very unfortunate situation. And from what you are saying, it's obvious that a lot should have been done over the years.
Anodi semya etwegu ye eyemanso ya wono ehwe yenyinam ahwodene eso yera John Abdullahi Jinapo.
Na yewra Jinapo sabra wo kasa wa ahwodene ho no na wono mo nso e supply say yenuane ana niam ahodo a senior high school free for wo mo de kro no safo no nso danka e wo education ministry ho ya picketing pa se enya de a wo mbema wo mo nya kwankura sabi o se office ho na wo mu wura ana se wo mu pie kura eja wo mo atime pie e de afiri ho na awia ka se bo no suppliers on arrears ye ba waboboa no na ye be boss se wo mo se 50 million Ghana cedis sha abantu wontuai ndi se wanfa ma won a ene ye wo mo kwa akoye ka e wo education ministry ho atena ho nso eto a wo mo tim awie bo a wo no mo tim na eno na yewra Emmanuel Aivo wono ene ye president edema National Association of Institutional Suppliers na isefo no ena wo mo de to so a chese 50 million sika de nso anya sika bia se wo mo tietie aban de wotuatua wo mo bo sika de billion sa na million ena ni tua be ne den wo mo ntua ma so de be na wo mo nso benya bi de beton kamfna ama abusua na di ente sa ena education ministry ho wono mo be ge ho afa
eno ya asem kase pa wo mo be ge ho afa na eno ena wono mo a wo mo so Christopher Ahodo eno ya abusua wo mo de hia ba ko a ye frere sa o na ye boba mani vendor wo mo bo ni tuo ya kronfawrofo bo ni tuo ewo ofonso bu sumi da na to so aduonu enwotwe 2025 no mo ho no na wo mo wa senkaja atantri ni betimi aba wo mo atena se hwema eno nti bi ne wo ka sei abusua na atwa petition ten dia koma IGP say IGPA somwe na won so hwem na kan yanse du man na ha dwene pa na bra won do amsam ko ye no ne awogina abusua na mu ekasa ye Adam Viglo Mensa wona sompa kase ye eche nkomo no sei.
Are very simple. Conduct a thorough investigation into the escape of Ali Taibu from Adakuru Area 51 police cell. We are also asking the police to launch a disciplinary inquiry against all officers responsible for the breach in custodial security, including review the conduct of case officers Nukwawe Kweku Kwao and Everton Kofi Kwao regarding the failure to present suspects in court within the legal mandate 48 hours period. Ensure the immediate recapture of the escaped suspect.
We Adam Viglo Mensa. We pe na Ketu South MCE. Ya friends Nicholas Wolachi. One also the kakraka ho. Sans one de gina na mu eje petition no.
Today is an expression of your democratic right, and that is why we are grateful to the organizers and the family for this peaceful organization and engagement. The petition that has been handed over to me has also been duly received, and I will transfer it to or hand it over to the divisional commander for ongoing transmission to the IGP through the regional commander. The chain of command must be followed.
We Ketu South aban anamusini Nicholas Wolachi wano energy petition no se eja wode fachire boko de akoma IGP
afeye primu de ni akyeremu ewo epoye matemachimda ena yakwa kodro na Achimda Police Division wonom etimi abo homoden ama amamoyofo bia wonom de obi dwan ewo no na wonom enkwan mu ayede esansa ene bonefosam ahye wonom tirimu emma etise de emoja empahuriye etirimu ni nyina da ene se wokyerese encheye na truck bia ne registration number no eye AS 3650-S eya dia na waso akoko bin CB yankase ekoko ibia na kyese wode free ho Achimda ho ede abatema port na eno wo kyerese wonam kwemu no achim esubua ena wonom enya fort bi ewo ehye ne ho na ewo se wonom timigina no moma ensiesiefo betimi esiesie ma omansa na watimi atoa wonom akwantuo ne so na wo kyerese bra ehye no esesi eye achim esubua sa no na kyerese sankofo wesemo nipa bonefo semu ahye omutimu man baako edin ede kwasi brako wone ne mfefo won behu ane sa kyerese koko no bag no ena wonom so etwe free tour ena wonom ede kogu wom demo na we no womuti anyeye eye form police unit FPU 4 ya wonom ewo Achimda petrol team 4 ibi ya wom de echi so ma hyehye wom ho ankasa ya wonom ebo mpempen se na wonom so twam ena okoto wom na no ena wom ka se ne wom bechi wom pabam ache watwe maminya wom nyina dibnika dwaneye na wonom di ditendeta na no mkonya eye kwasi brako bramie nkwa bema ade na wo ye ne nya kofesi mra na wo se dame nkwa woni police fo no ene yatoma mento ema wonom so buro no kakra wa bla no mu eye yi no na eno ene ko wie ye no police fo no eche se omun saka no na sede ne ho atwitwa kakra ni nti no wo je ayahwe ewo Achimda government hospital ya eno ewo ho na wo free ho apɛ wo kwa akoboa ama hwehwemu nso atimi aye adwuma na ne mfefo hodo ya wone wonom ekodi sa ensamodede wese no watimi aboa ama wonom so abeka ne ho sebe ya wo betimi edega na mra no abɔ no sene ese na efata
ene ayase abanka ba yede atonsa uyiyire ya sate bi ebemiao na abusua mrasa badwafie ne yewura tenene ya oda wo mai mrasa badwa na no yewura abansoma na Kingsford Babin na LGBTQ+ ne nua no momrei ne woni mai mu ewie na yewura Bernard ahiafo ne wono ma aka no etwetwe ne so owia nam yete ya zo emra ne de akura akasa mempene ba asente wo ma paase awie pani ba wo se da bi nya sa netie ne no na wasan be kasa ho ne wo badwafie ho eche se sa asem ya wo ma twetwe no LGBTQ+ bill no je wo mo san reconsider ne biu na ensem a yewura Babin wode eto so no na oponchecheku wogina ho nti Babin on bill
The recent debate where some lawyers came out strongly to say that by the Constitution, once a law is passed on the floor, Parliament is functus officio. It's not the law. Because we have what we call post-passage process before you send it to the President for assent. And that process gives the opportunity for Parliament to reflect on what it has passed. And that is why in the Constitution, there is no time limit given to Parliament after passage to submit to the President for assent. And on many occasions, we usually identify some.
Yewra Aban Kingsford Suma na Babin no ena wo kire se je wo mo e process nti mra no wo man process raw na nka de kwa koma mampani na penis has wunti me nwura de no ho mfa woro nko je fa processing mo nti set e bia wo mbe reconsider
afe yengra mu ewo ensamfoforo mu ahafo ene yakwa akogire na regional manager Edema Forestry Commission Reverend Edward Entry one na yaka say wo say Forestry Commission na wa ahafo no won bomode are nhye pa egu akwam na say de amanfo otwati madua ene odum wa sepele ewon patam wo mu twaguo no enya keto akra na Reverend kasa no ni amane boni na no pon agim na no pon na no pon agim na won na ejina ho enu nti obomode echi na so ni enu wagye nsem ni nyina kama enu wapempam yesanso enu wapempam ansa kotokuo na wagye ni nyina ho kama na ode yentie Reverend ne nsam a woka ni nyina
kwasem nie enu adua ye hyase ache yadua ebinom ayeye kama ebinom so anye yi na de meka ne se yedua o se yema yani kɔ na yehwɛ se de aban enam ye disi so wɔde aba akyerensua ha asutifi South District Assembly dwumadie no wɔde aba akyerensua ha yenim se ɛsɛ ye nyina eye yasɛdeɛ se bɛhwɛ se enua no ebeyi ni dua de yadua o na se yanhwɛ agugu so nsuo yama yani ankɔ ho a ebesan awu na edwuma ye no aho amba mfa so de meka fa enua samo ɛwɔ ɔman mu no se nnua bedua na nso so yanom ye chainsaw operators na omabu nnua ni nyina samre eyemra osese nyina hwɛ sɛ saa nneɛma ɛte saa ne besi ano kwan.
We Reverend Edward Entry, one regional manager at the Forestry Commission. We yape at our Goso District Forestry Manager. One was here Emmanuel Anim. One was the Kakarakan, in fact, nearly with a Canada. No Kwanswano. Chase off 100 pounds.
Oh, this year, seniors, the quantum. We expect to say Kuafua, Obejibiano, the Bian Sober quantum. Yes, over Jago, Akorina, Yasia, Da Opet, Nawakoso could be another entry. Captain, I appear for an asset, Omusucha, any idea the Abana Econo. I know yes, stressor, Obia, Besum, na, the Abana Shefom. What is Shefom? I that is can have the Shefom. He said this year, 70% a year last year, no, if any said this year. Challenge the use of arms and weapons in illegal timber harvesting. Yeah.
We era Emmanuel and Nim go so the District Forestry Manager and one Najima Pambo Ekasai and the Crackromono and era Ebenezer Ado. One no Akasa de Mahafo. I have Funina Forestry Commission penny for honor, one and a penny, Wakasa de Ma Ekuno. And one also say, Shia, say a Casamia, Ya Mayanka, or Okasa de Ma, Ghana Timber Association, half a branch, no, one the Casa de Mahon. And I see a boy, Manana, chase off way. One more Jidim Bonema and Papa.
Who took my Mononia, Omudia no Mumua, and issue, your pen Yagro, because I know mommy and some about this anywhere. Nipadas and it has a Papa Basso, Naya Dia, what you have been said the owl fee, not say, only say, a bear dream that she said, the shell down so said, he didn't be real, Dana said, the two Dana, and so for commission, any nearby forest office, no one who almost say, Livia and the person, no Omoy, Nipa, you, I'm another, no, the whole reporter office, no more, but I say, the two high, no more, Amon, as I would pay a book, said, yes, if you can only question how much more say forest who do pay eco rem and not illegal
illegal no e ha dwene pa e no aka ho asem na mom ni nyina no say ya resource Forestry Commission so amonyo mo adwuma adwuma de enko be ye pa era Ebenezer Tete Ado wono kasa edema Ghana Timber Association as a Timbers Association nemfa ye wo ahafo no na ajima pambo ni pam mansa nyina akotoku no one of them saying in a bag. Yen free half a month time, Munayan to Fanso, Codia Bresamo, 20 Semo Jabunfi and Inchemu, Ewa Atoya Montamo, no Cro Pomu, and a Yaquako Ra and Crawford, any Ghana Mampenia would decline on one Cassan in cheek. A paper Yakasem Rashabedania would Jinamu, Ewa Rashabedrum, Edge Adishia, Ya one more a year, dear Diama, one a wobble one a year on Munya for Emmanuel, Amako Fibo, one Wakasa, a Ghana man so for Yawashi and Sasse, and a mu adot dear so. Yakasa was a woman, your maybe a chibramo. Ne pepi now, Yakasi Jenny in the above by Neswa, and ya dear a bay yes and say, no, to the Biana Obako for intimate down for Obako le draw yana a guon somsono, any pence in Wabua, Ama Yakasia no Casano MP's common fund no. What day a Sisukwa Dankra in Sia, Yawadema and Crawford Agriculture Senior High School year, sa one NJ, now one intimate famwa and woman Sia, Nimpeja and an encancro. Now what chess and Niama who do a pinano, say Yanama one day, and near maybe a bit mia boa, Ama Disuan Samakono, was signed at the PH, Yanko Wabra, now what Danny Suku Danny at the Amman Penny for and somewhere you ra, Kofibua, what they etuja any.
First, it's 24 hours because you see the lights are on there, so students can utilize the 24 hours. We have all the fans and all the facilities in there, intended to make sure that the students will have access to the classroom at all times. There can be evening classes and all of that. So it adds to the value of the school. I'm very excited about it. The headmaster was just telling me that even as we build classroom, we are also strengthening the agriculture side of it.
Ebwa ewumesia ewumesia edemono na yekuya yo ehon samsono etimi abwa we eye anodisem ya efi o me ye mansofo ye wono hwe ensase enimu adodode so wasaye elembele ma shebedwane yewra Emmanuel ama Kofibua enchen atofom
ene ye free wa no ya atwe yemra asante mantemu na no ana Alexander Eda Kwame Redu watu we di amane ye wonu musa sonomma no wo mabato no police station de nhia so de no wo mato na ene se wo moto wie no de wodi mu nkunim eye chairman Kokofu Apia wono na di nkunim na ne nsamo a wode to Alexander Kwame Redu anim echese ntokwa no sabio akonwato na ade hye ne pribie na sabre a wo mo prawie no de aka yese wo mo nka won homom na fe 2028 wo mo nkonkoto chine yemfira akonnwa no so na so no mra
Dedi kayadi na sema nyame amede na seswama party executive and constituency executive regional executive amba ya amba sha abato no so bedo mo sipi won tintin amba ya tini si sha se ne dia ba agi sambe na sade na siama polling agents amba to abama mo to ye no mo to ni nyina ya busua ba ko so the internal election ni ya kese pa no se nyina be kai wo bom nya bobo ha nya dia ko fisi NDC 2028 abase ni ma ba chairman bobo afani nyina problem nya rehwese bekai nyina wabo nya to adwin na yehwe papa ya pese ye wonhie so a na ma hie so pagama ya akolo ebipi
na saa dwumadi nyina no yewra poyando wono na ekoko gina mu ehwe ma bibia ekoye nti wono mu wie no wono kura na ebo chairman kokofu apia din se wono na edi nkunim na wo organizer nso ka ho
elections for organizer position chairperson and secretary on a odi nkunim 150 on electoral area organizer area chairman kokofu apia 129
enti asante mamu Nshiazo constituency ehwa aba wo mo kokoto ye no honorable chairman kokofu apia na ye titinani ana ate se wo san bo owura Francis se wono ana ye organizer no eni a wotie ni mfoni ana wo hwe no eye nkutahode bofo ede ma wo so na amanyoku ewo asante mantemu owura poyando wone Alex Redu ene kasae
yegusu gina mu asante mantemu ho a na ye kwaso ame so abidwa kase no manfo ho a wo mu di dwa ho chese ede be nkra agode ayeti se de brado mbehwe efin se ya atam na manfo timu to ade na so amede no wo mo se container bia so municipal assembly for de ababesi wa wo mo de border egumu container no ba bia esie ene mu fin ene se ne etimi ye mabusu na pepe afa ho kafra odidi a na aya si one time basa ewo ho no ha dwene pa eno nti wo mo ka kire so ame municipality ni se mpanifo nyina ewo mu ni mu nkwada nyina se wo mo twe da were enwu mpanifo so na kinsomo so ame MC wo mo mode enwura mu yera franka papa franka kanede ne ho won kono nkwata made ne mfiri ho kra je se achichiro ba makro kwaya na no ho ba bi kwa na de kwa akosi a wo fa nkosi na bra wo mani abre no mo ka mo nsem se no na ba wa bedu adawro manti won se bi bae
no kre bola no se nye nsuo na ato a nka wo ni tren na tren ne sent na ano de mayewa so ye den ene yakoka san se ye ne leader odaya no na mo di container abesiwo so mo fa mangunwule mo kam so de mo yan sa mangunwula no o mo pe ba bi se kwan no kro mo nya nwie to mo de ko kwan na tifi ba bi di kosi wo ene mo de bola no guma nka be boa sense ye ya ha fi se ye niam ye to ne bola ni nhia na no kra pros for aba ha se bola de no onyi mfiri o still e da so si wo e ni ma de kodi enti abola no aha na was a container no omudi besi ye de mimi gidi chem se bia ye ma me na free assembly se e bi ohia abola ade no mo no de abeso omunu ntimi mfo mo pe emfa msi wo ti ye sere wo mo so mo moa ye no mo meyi bola no emfa mpe ba bi ensima ye ne ye ho kire ye se nye nsuo na ato a ka wo ba ha no ma ye de
bola yi de anamada ho mo ye fi wa ma ye ne ye sere mo ngogusa ye hema mo etere pa nsuo na ato ntanka susu aye na mo eche nsuo kwa ato ntimi nya hwene no nsa ye kwadi kwa ye nto ye kudwa dada ene bola na be ka ho
we adehye na wo so ame no ene wo mo ka se ne ekoso ho de wo mo bonyo so kra nti yes madam deputy MC ene King Solomon mo nko sa bola ne mfiri ho na nya sa ne ade ton emfa kra ba wa bedu ene de amane boy baaye
afeyeremwe ewo MPP titireni ewo eye Asante Mantam Yera Bernard Entwibo Siako ya dodo na efrani se chama wuntumi ni diemu ye kase ya no so bo be semiensa ena oman no amamra no ayantam ede asense ni komo se wono akasa ni dwumedie ya Samra Boy illegal mine ho sensem bi yade a wode ayantam no na eno echi krampo no ba konso etwere nchen ya wo kyese eno eye sikasem eno eye Gasim Bank eno wo kyese watimi akofrodi wonom ya no ho nsensem no kranso no enya ema edwa eno eda nchen eno ena ye kase ya no amanebo ya yensa eka no ekire so no akasa ne mranim ni ya kane no na Asante achim wo yemra hyebedwani ewo ho yewura andi apia kubi wode nsam atodwa ewo ye sister station ba ko eso ya wo kyese sa asem no a enya meto bedwasere de ewo emra animu a wonum enya kan ho asem no enya de a wode ne ho ebe folifoli mu watwe ne ho ede afiri mu se bia wo ye chama wontume ne mra nimni no na asem wese na mu nkyere mu kakra ya wode ma ye no ene se Ghana ha se no mu ankasa no wo hwe ye mra nim adwuma no empanyimfo ya wonum edi mu wo mu ebekire eye mra nimfo ene judgefo na wonum nsem bi wo ho a enhyeda emwa ewo yasenie no eho enu ti ena anam so ama ye kase no wo kire se pending case na no ewo ho ne de enya de a wono lawyer and the appear kubi wo betimi ede ne ho ewrewrem no wasere eye Ghana Bar Association emranifo enkabom ko kase ye no ewo my Ghana masenom se wonfa wonan ensi form na ye dijabo na ye de aso ne mebi wo ho a emranim adwuma no enhyada entoye wono mankasa ene betimi ebie wonum na wose aduasa ye won techrama esantamo no watimi ede asi nkonwa ewo ho no matimi ede eye enumbaba sebeya ye betoye ama enimonyam hye ne die ya kane na ewo emranim adwumam no asan ababiem wei eye ensemu a ye rachama entwibo siako MPP titire ne ewo asante mantem no akasa ne mranim ni ye wura ya ye frane se andi apia kubi wode abetudwa ya dane ebi echi ede amamo yenko na yenko nkofa yaboafo nkrato emrata ye ba ensem no ebi ewo akira ya de ebepim so.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, ne SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wasra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teacher SOMPA First Service. Awo homayen enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro onyankupon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda nyina share radensa. Na erade beye.
SOMPA TV Emma Aketiapa.
Okre esanse ye jawo na mu a ye de wo ko park so enne set bia South Africa for so a healing no one back to tiemu. Don't mind us. If you mind me, I mind you. If you don't mind me, you can back at and bath. Obusua ye kwa manone. Na amanone no ye wram ewo DR Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo. E wona se sie Ebola yare no. Edi wo ma nipa anya asam ketwa. Na World Health Organization a ye wura kwankyerefo Dr. Tedros Adhanom Gabriel Jesus no modano no wo mo de aba beto sampa ade na fura edu we healthfo anim se sie wo mo kenkan o betumi aka de friend say confirm cases no mako henum ne adunum nipa wo ha ene baako ena sabre wo mo ti nananom e won se do na mpo enura ne ade chi ne ye no de wo mo nya no fresh 35 ena ewo no so 10 fresh death aba beka ho na sabre husemi no uko DR Congo na tifi eche se North Kivu ho ene South Kivu a wo mo ne adaje kura eno na mpanimfo se sa protocols ne de wo mo ni so e wo mo se si eduro a ebetimi aso ano enhyeda mai de wo mo guso ototo wo mo ni nanso wo mo ni sa safety protocols no so de beye ne mpo ebi wo ebi ho a entimi nsra na emma afoforo so na contact tracing so wo mu gusu tresi sabre ya ye ko we kapui ebia na wo betete akwa otitu won ma na mfom no wonama na waye ahweye
we so na ye gina na nwumre kwan koso nkokura ya ye de ebesom wo no ye de wo asie na me no ka say one nam ententan fidie no so abon se Estadio Claudio de Mexico ejina so den ya amanfo atenase na yede ho enkomo no nyina de abro ne mom nsam ade bra wo no na ne nyina afa kase no ejina World Cup ne ho na mom na poso bie ya yede ba so mo ene se abusua no a wo mo de hye wo bi ko board to mo vendor e wa flawo no wo ma tro petition de akoma IGP
so na wote ne kase mu se akosombo substation ya beza bosumi mienu ni ejato mu no wo chese nya nipa bia na eteche ne mom temachie bi ene ba enhoma ho
yewra aban kens for suma na ba bense LGBTQ+ emra no won be san revisit
na won san foforo mu no ahafo forestry commission empanifo chese wo me de hye pa ebegu akwamu na chese ofo wo madwuma no magu no kura
Achim dada ne pote mo mrante kwa bi etimi ko wi akoko ye kase ba ko de wakodi nsenseme ewo aprosifo ensem
sesi uko education ministry hwa nipa egu ho nya asam ketwa nya ye no wanya na adwumade bia eye wono ma supply senior high na school fo no nema ya ye de wo moka wo mo pekete
ena so amenso edadifo na ho so amedwom no wo mo se efi a emene won no se so am MC ene ne deputy yes madam wo mo ama wo mo ne bola ne beto wo
elembele mrashe bedwani akwa ya dom suku adam kransia wo de abo sebe ya ewo masua betimi afa de ntampa efra ewo nkrofo agric school ya eno ewo ho
se wo mo wo Uganda ene afa ho nyina nso no gugem esanse dia Congo Ebola no se esidi wo mo ni nipa mako ahenum ne adunum ena wo mo akonfirm se wonya bi wo ha ene ya kire de wo mo tinanam wonse do
midimafo ba center ena boy ye chidom time ba me shabe kan ye ho na fe ye atka ne nyina ye tu ase e de ama 21st clinic no wo mo nti ote ye nkan e SOMPA 106.5 FM nkan ha de no sabre ye ni o hye kokko no ni ogina platform no so wo bi etie e wa Adamfo Pa radio e wo France ahinkro Paris num e na SOMPA 93.1 headquarters wo moje SOMPA 101.1 e wo takwa 103.3 wo takrade 106.1 Watachima 98.9 Wosunyane 90.7 Nkranza 101.3 Ewa Doma Ena Doma FM 100.7 FI Ye Kanesha Band Radio J Ena Fe Kingdom 106.1 Woman Kesi Mono Sufa Kasi Yenyi na Obra Udi Koda na so Wohe SOMPA FM Ye Jina Mukama no Na Fe Oba Facebook Neswa Na streaming live SOMPA 106.5 FM Akra na YouTube Ni SOMPA FM live www.sompaonline.com So Ensemi guwa Wobetime Akwa Kenkan Biye Enyanu mwa Ya Jebre Beken kan kase de ma wo kama St Augustine da Roma de to Facebook ne so no eye me waduma nkoma chia me obrempon na kwaku ampuma menimenu aba
ohine ire mame ekua yeboa esia mabronya abrewetia enafi
triple amen ejapia apamdada against South Africa
yeko na afi na South Africa ntanka atenase no mom the sports no ne aka nyina abrew